Welcome to Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair shop in Long Island City, Queens. Today, we have a 2018 Honda Civic with extremely high fuel trims at idle. Taking a reading from the computer, we see that the short-term fuel trims shows us it's at 28.9%. Ideally, you want to see this number at 0% or between -5 and +5%. That means that the engine is running properly when it's at 0 or near 0, and it's not wasting any fuel, which can cause misfires, stalling, and long-term damage to the catalytic converter. After diagnosing the problem, we found the cause. The cause of the problem was this valve cover. The plastic valve cover has failed to seal, and it's letting in extra unmeasured air into the engine. The computer sees this extra uncombusted air through the oxygen sensors, then it tries to compensate by adding more fuel. We were able to determine the cause of the high fuel trims by disconnecting the vacuum hose that goes from the valve cover to the intake and plugging the intake. And as you see, after we plug the hose and there's no more air leak, the fuel trims start to go down. So we replaced the valve cover and seals, fixing the air leak, solving the problem for the customer. If you have a car in the New York City area in need of repair or maintenance, feel free to reach out to Tolima's Auto Center.